Okay, hi everyone, it's me again, Peter of GIZGUIDEPH, and we are back with another video. This time, as you can see, we will be checking yung pinakabagong product ni Cherry dito sa Pilipinas. And it is a levitating speaker. Base sa box niya, ayan, parang meron siyang moon na lumilipad, na lumulutang. So tara, simulan na natin to. And eto, sabi ni Cherry, it has high quality audio daw, multicolor LEDs, unique design, and a rechargeable body. So eto, na-unbox na namin siya. Ito yung frame niya, as you can see. And then here, may Cherry logo, and may power key here. And ito, merong cord na merong connection to the power cord itself. Next, eto, ayan, may AC-DC adapter siya. Yan yung i-connect mo dyan to make it work. Then, may sinaba rin silang USB-C to USB-A cable that you will be using to charge yung speaker itself. So, okay, ayun. Ito yung moon na speaker. So, ayan, nakalagay top. And yung bottom niya, may power key rin dito. May Type-C port. And of course, ayan yung speaker itself. Tingnan nyo to. In fairness, medyo malakas yung magnet. And mukhang secure naman siya. So, eto, mag-prepare tayo. Ayan. So, it connects via Bluetooth. And ayan, connected na siya. So, ito pa ibang functions niya. Dito sa ilalim niya, pwede mong palit-palitan yung kulay. So, isang press lang. Ayan, naging purple, naging blue, naging, light purple. Ayan, green. Ayan, walang kulay. And ito, yellow. So, umiikot siya. So, medyo mag-ingat lang kayo. So, ito, ginawa ko siyang red. And dito naman, pwede mong patayin din yung ilaw. Pwede mong buksan. Pag hinold mo siya, ayun, pwede pa siya lumakas. Pwede lumakas yung ilaw. So, pag hinold mo ulit, magiging katamtaman lang yung lakas niya. So, eto, medyo diniliman ko muna yung ilaw sa office namin para ma-appreciate natin yung kulay ng speaker niya. Yan, ganda siya. Meron daw itong floating distance na 20mm. And I think nagpo-float naman siya but very minimal lang. It uses magnets pala, guys. So, ayan. It kind of floats. Diba? Anyway, ayun, mali lang pala ako kanina. Finally, nakuha ko na. Lumulutang talaga siya, guys. And ito yung distance niya. Not bad yung distance, Interesting. Ayan. Ang galing, Huwag mo lang siya ipipress paangat kasi yan, didikit siya. Pero once makuha mo na yung kanyang floating distance, it will really float. So, mali lang pala ako kanina. Ito, for sure, makaka-copyright tayo. Kasi nagpapatugtog tayo ng merong background music. Ayan. So far, for a novelty speaker, nagagandahan ako sa sound niya. Decent siya. So far, ang nakikita ko sa speaker na to is pwede siyang maging magandang addition sa bahay ninyo as a decor. Diba? Decor na siya, may speaker pa siya. Hindi ko lang sigurado kung gaano katagal pa yung battery life nito kasi kaka-unbox natin sa kanya. Pero 1,200 mAh yung kanyang capacity. And I expect na medyo tatagal naman yun for quite a while. Siguro at least 5 hours, 6 hours. And sabi kasi ni Cherry dito, 5 watts yung kanyang speaker. So, hindi yun masyadong power hungry. So, I think, tatagal yung battery nito. So, babalikan namin kayo, guys, kasi kaka-unbox na talaga natin sa kanya. Yung first impressions ko sa sound niya, it is decent. It is pretty good for a speaker na merong ganitong novelty. It is decent for a floating speaker. Diba? But of course, sa 5,190 price point niya, merong ibang mas magagandang tunog dito. Merong ding ibang better bass and mas less yung distortion. Pero generally, if you are someone na hindi naman super particular sa sound, this is more than good enough. Ako, nakikita kong okay siya for watching yung mga NBA, YouTube videos, and even yung mga TV shows online, di ba? Connect mo lang sa phone mo or sa tablet mo, you will be able to enjoy a louder audio experience. And aside from that, pag nag-play ka naman ng music, generally for me, okay yung clarity Decent yung clarity niya Medyo kulang lang ng konti sa fullness of sound. And also, since 360 degree yung kaya niyang i-produce na audio, kinda malawak yung soundstage niya kahit isang speaker lang siya. It's not the widest around, pero it's more than enough for most na coming from their smartphone speakers lang or tablet speakers. And it could be worth it if you are someone na gusto yung gantong klaseng novelty. Maganda siya, stylish, and again, decent sounding overall. Again, this is Peter of GIZGUIDEPH, and thank you so much for watching. Goodbye, and stay safe always.